Good morning, school. Today, I would like to talk about being yourself. In a school like Olashere and a generation like this, we often find it hard to be ourselves because we want to fit in with the crowd. It's easy to lose yourself in the sea of others trying to impress people. The fear of missing out often fuels every action that we take. On social media, we find ourselves scrolling through other people's pages, trying to be just like them, and end up lying about our identity or doing something drastic to get a like. In social environments, especially like schools, it's not strange to want to be liked. No one wants to be the odd one out. But my message to us all today is that you should not forget who you are. Because if you stray too far, you may find it hard to come back to yourself. You should be able to stand out and never let anyone tell you who you're meant to be. Thank you.